Welcome to Health Advisor. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health Advisor. Today we have a special treat for you as we dive into the incredible world of carrots and their numerous health benefits. If you're a fan of this vibrant orange vegetable, you're in for a treat. And if you're not, you might just change your mind after learning about the amazing advantages it offers. Let's get started. Ingredients of carrot. Carrots are a versatile and popular vegetable with a simple yet nutritious composition. Here are the primary components found in carrots. 1. Water. Carrots have a high water content, contributing to their refreshing and hydrating nature. 2. Carbohydrates. Carrots are a good source of complex carbohydrates, mainly in the form of dietary fiber. 2. The fiber helps support digestive health and promotes a feeling of fullness. 3. Sugar. Carrots contain natural sugars, including sucrose, glucose, and fructose, which contribute to their mildly sweet taste. 4. Vitamins. 1. Vitamin A. Carrots are particularly rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for vision, skin health, and immune function. 2. Vitamin C. This antioxidant vitamin supports the immune system and helps in collagen formation for healthy skin. 1. Minerals. 1. Potassium. Important for maintaining proper electrolyte balance, supporting heart health, and regulating blood pressure. 2. Phosphorus. Contributes to bone health and plays a role in various physiological processes. 1. Phytochemicals. 1. Beta-carotene. A powerful antioxidant that gives carrots their orange color. 1. It helps neutralize free radicals in the body. 2. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are beneficial for eye health. 1. Flavonoids. Carrots contain various flavonoids with potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Other nutrients. 1. Folate. Important for cell division and DNA synthesis. 2. Vitamin K. Essential for blood clotting and bone health. 3. Biotin. A B vitamin that plays a role in metabolism. 1. Trace elements. 1. Manganese. Contributes to bone formation and metabolism. 2. Zinc. Supports immune function and wound healing. It's worth noting that the nutritional content can vary slightly depending on the carrot variety, size, and growing conditions. Including carrots in your diet is an excellent way to benefit from their nutritional richness and enjoy a tasty and healthy vegetable. Benefits of carrots. Carrots offer a range of health benefits due to their nutrient-rich composition. Here are some key advantages of including carrots in your diet. 1. Promotes eye health. 1. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. 2. Vitamin A helps prevent night blindness and supports overall eye health. 2. Supports immune system. 1. The combination of vitamins and antioxidants in carrots, including vitamin C, helps boost the immune system. 2. Antioxidants like beta-carotene contribute to reducing oxidative stress in the body. 2. Aids digestive health. 1. Carrots are an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion. 2. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, preventing constipation and supporting regular bowel movements. 1. Contributes to heart health. 1. Potassium in carrots helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. 2. The fiber content may help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 1. Skin health. 1. Beta-carotene in carrots contributes to healthy skin by promoting cell regeneration and protecting against sun damage. 2. Antioxidants in carrots may help combat signs of aging. 1. Weight management. 1. The fiber in carrots promotes a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. 1. Blood sugar regulation. 1. Carrots have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a gradual impact on blood sugar levels. 2. The fiber in carrots may help regulate blood sugar levels. 1. Cancer prevention. 1. Antioxidants in carrots, such as beta-carotene and other phytochemicals, have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. 2. Carrots may help neutralize free radicals that can contribute to cancer development. 9. Boosts oral health. 1. Chewing raw carrots stimulates saliva production, which can help prevent cavities and maintain oral hygiene. 2. The vitamin A in carrots also supports the health of mucous membranes in the mouth. 10. Improves cognitive function. 1. Antioxidants in carrots may have protective effects on the brain, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. 2. Nutrients like potassium contribute to overall brain health. Remember, the best way to reap the benefits of carrots is to include them as part of a balanced and varied diet. Whether enjoyed raw as a snack, added to salads, or incorporated into cooked dishes, carrots are a tasty and nutritious addition to your meals. Usage of carrots. Carrots are a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in various ways, both raw and cooked. Here are some common and creative ways to incorporate carrots into your meals. 1. Raw snacking. 1. Enjoy fresh carrot sticks or baby carrots as a crunchy and healthy snack. 2. Dip carrot sticks in hummus, tzatziki, or your favorite vegetable dip for added flavor. 2. Salads. 1. Grate or julienne carrots to add color and sweetness to salads. 2. Create a coleslaw with shredded carrots, cabbage, and a light vinaigrette. 3. Juicing. 1. Include carrots in your homemade juices or smoothies for a natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins. 2. Mix carrots with other fruits and vegetables for a refreshing and nutritious beverage. 4. Cooked side dishes. 1. Steam or boil carrots as a simple side dish seasoned with herbs and a touch of butter. 2. Roast carrots with olive oil, garlic, and your favorite spices for a flavorful side dish. 5. Soups and stews. 1. Add chopped or sliced carrots to soups and stews for a sweet and nutritious element. 2. Carrots complement the flavors of many broths and enhance the overall taste of the dish. 6. Stir fries. 1. Include carrots in stir fries with a mix of colorful vegetables and your choice of protein. 2. The natural sweetness of carrots adds a delicious contrast to savory stir-fry sauces. 7. Grilling. 1. Grill carrot spears or slices for a smoky flavor and a unique twist on this vegetable. 2. Brush grilled carrots with a honey glaze for a delightful combination of sweetness and char. 8. Baking. 1. Incorporate grated carrots into muffins, cakes, or quick breads for added moisture and a hint of sweetness. 2. Carrot cake is a classic dessert that showcases the deliciousness of this vegetable. 9. Dips and spreads. 1. Blend cooked carrots into a creamy soup or puree for a velvety texture. 2. Create a carrot-based dip with yogurt, herbs, and spices for a healthy alternative. 12. Pickling. 1. Pickle carrot sticks in a brine of vinegar, water, and spices for a tangy and crisp snack. 2. Pickled carrots can also be a flavorful addition to sandwiches and salads. Remember, the key is to get creative and experiment with different cooking methods to discover your favorite ways to enjoy carrots. With their natural sweetness and versatility, carrots can be a delightful addition to a wide range of dishes. The incredible benefits of carrots. From supporting eye health to promoting heart health, these veggies are truly a nutritional superstar. Whether you enjoy them raw as a snack, cooked in a delicious dish, or blended into a refreshing juice, incorporating carrots into your diet is a smart choice. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep enjoying the goodness of nature. This is Your Name, signing off.